Hey, what's up guys? This is Lex and I'm standing at another rehab that I'm about to get started. I'm actually outside the house now waiting for the contractor to show up. So this is originally a rental property, as you can see, not in very good condition. And I'm going to go ahead and completely renovate the house and then put it on the market for sale. So I'm going to go ahead now and show you a little pano around the house. And then after that, we'll take a look at the inside. Okay guys, now that you've seen the outside of the house, we're on the inside. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. It's in a town called Port St. Lucie, Florida, which is about an hour north of where I live. And this property over here was a rental property. And if I wanted to keep it as a rental property, I would probably keep the tile floors and keep the kitchen cabinets and just clean it up and paint it and get it ready for rent. But if I want to list it on the MLS, what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to put everything brand new. So I'm going to have to put a brand new flooring, kitchen, bathrooms, everything, and make it look really, really nice, right? So let's go ahead and show you a little bit about what the inside of the house looks like. Okay, so this house has original tile floors, as you can see, right? And let me go ahead and show you the kitchen. So this is the kitchen over here, and let me go and show you details so you can see what it looks like. So I can already see that one of the challenges I'm going to have with this house, probably the biggest challenge, is this kitchen. And the reason is because it's so small and it's got no light. So I got to figure out if there's a way for us to open that up and make sure that none of these are retaining walls to see if we can get some light in here. That's going to be one of the big challenges on this house. Let's go ahead and look at the rest of the house. Okay, this is definitely going to pose some challenges. As an example, over here there's a big water situation, so you can see there's water stains in there. And clearly somebody's gone in there and worked on the drywall. So I'm going to guess that there's some water damage or water coming in, right, which is going to have to be repaired. So that's a quick tour of the house. All right, so as you can see, this is a pretty outdated house, a little older. Definitely got some challenges, pretty nasty bathrooms. We've got a kitchen that needs more light. We got an issue with the water coming in the drywall, and I think on the roof, when we did a little view of that from the exterior, I think there were quite a few missing shingles. We may even need a new roof. So this is going to be a decent sized rehab. I'm going to guess without a roof, $25,000, and with a roof, $35,000. All right, that's my guess right now. And I'll make another video for you guys in a couple of weeks just to show you the progress so you can see this video. If you want to learn how to do this, guys, make sure you check out my Fixing and Flipping Houses webinar. I'll put a link down below to that. And also think about coming to my Fixing and Flipping Houses bootcamp, where I spend 3 days with you teaching you how to fix and flip houses. And just like this, and I even have a bus trip where I take you guys to look at houses and to look at Home Depot to see how it's done. All right, guys, so thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.